What's up, everybody? This your boy Lamont back at it again. I know it's been a while since I made another video, but the fact of the matter is my engine, it's been at the engine shop for about like 4-5 months now. Kind of waiting on him. The engine builder did tell me that it was at least about a 4 or 5 month wait till he can get to my engine. But in the meantime, I took my old engine, at least try to get it back running, at least in stock form anyway. I just got through putting my timing chain on and got my timing cover and my balancer down there. The only thing left I gotta do is get me some lifters and assemble my heads and stuff. But in due time, just bear with me until I get my engine from the machine shop, and probably be taking this motor right back out by the time I get through assembling it and putting it in my car. But in the meantime, it's getting cooler and I'm just trying to ride. That's all I'm trying to do, at least get my baby up and running. So just continue to stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the like button. Thank you.